wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to the wettest channel on the internet. And you know why we're the wettest channel on the internet? Is because we love being out on the water, like this weekend where we headed over to the Florida Keys for the Miami boat rally. And just in case you didn't see part one, well, we stayed overnight at my friend's Mike at Tavernier. But today we're heading over to Islamorada Sandbar, and we had to eat breakfast on the run, and we did that without a problem because it was a smooth ride all the way to the Sandbar, where we met a whole bunch of fans and great people having fun in the sun, and we joined the boat rally crew.
Buenísimo, toda la navegación, todo súper organizado, de verdad, buenísimo.
But after hanging around the sandbar, we decided to go back to the hydro and chillax a little bit under the shade because the day was pretty hot. And now we're exactly where we left off. And so far so good. It has been an awesome day here at Islamorada Sandbar because we're hanging out with some great people and meeting great ones too. And as you're gonna see, this is a very popular spot to the locals and to the visitors, and for us today here with the Miami Boat Rally. And this sandbar here is usually occupied by a lot of boaters, but when it's a long weekend, especially like Memorial Weekend, it's almost double the amount, and it becomes a giant Sandbar Life party. And usually it happens the same thing on Labor Day weekend, so I'm gonna try to make it back on one of those weekends to show you guys.
No sausage time today, oye, oye, sausage y hamburgers. Y se está quemando. Oye, yo creo ese mat está muy chiquito. Ese mat está muy chiquito. The chef en la casa cocinando sausage con hamburger. The what?
Well, I got pretty lucky today that my friend turned on his barbecue, because you know how sometimes I forget the bread or certain things? Well, today I forgot to bring the propane regulator for the barbecue. Well, I didn't really forget it 100% because I left it on the truck on the ramp. So I guess you want to call it 50-50. So I would like to say thank you to Alfredo and his friend for sparking up the barbecue and making the hamburgers and the sausage. But now, since we're all fueled up and got plenty of energy, we're gonna jump back on the dinger and cruise around Islamorada Sandbar one more time.
Oh, just hanging out? Muñoz, a long drive. Anda, anda, qué bueno, güey. What's up, what's up? Yeah, everything good, man.
Well, I would like to say thank you for the warm welcome for all the local boaters here at Islamorada Sandbar. And you know who else is riding around the sandbar? Yep, the Miami Boat Rally crew. Because it's time to do the costume contest judging. So we're going to tag along and see what the boaters are wearing. And this crew here is getting ready and they're decorating the boat. Well, I'm not the judge, but I think this group here of 3 boats kind of took the winning spot, in my opinion. They even brought Spider-Man. And by the look of things, it looked like everyone had a great time with the Miami Boat Rally here at Islamorada Sandbar. But it's about that time. It's about time to pick up anchor. That we were planning to stay one more day here, but the kids have plans with their friends on Sunday, so we decided to pick up and start heading out because I want to take advantage of the sunlight because our ride back is about 2 hours long. And right now it's about 5:30, so I think I could make it back before the sunset.
Ya sabe, óyeme, ya sabe. De verdad que se repita.
Bye.
Say bye to your dad, I guess. He's over there.
I'll watch your video.
All right.
Bye to your mom. No, bye, Joel. Bye, Fresco.
Well, our boating friends are staying behind because they're gonna stay one more night at the Keys. But not us, not this time. Maybe next time. And instead of going outside through the ocean, we decided to head in and ride through the bay. Well, if you notice, we have 2 of our crew missing. Yep, they're already in the cabin, sleeping in the AC. Joel and Gabby. But you know who's wide awake? Look at this. Cookie and Yuli. They're enjoying the ride back. Well, I guess they got the best seat in the house. And this is a question that I've gotten before throughout the years through the videos, because most of the time you guys catch me eating on the boat. Well, the thing is this, I normally eat like this only on the weekends. During the week, I try to, keep myself in line. And I'm gonna admit it, it is hard because I don't know why that bad food always tastes better. And even though that center console was pretty quick, nope, that's not the fast boat that I talked about in the previous video. You guys will see it because I think it cruised by us at least about 80 miles an hour. And within about an hour or so, we started to see in front of us Gilbert Resort, the last stop for the Miami Boat Rally. And as closer we got to the Tiki Bar, we noticed there was a few Miami Boat Rally boats already here because of the stickers on the boat. And here's the time where we took a boat. We said, are we gonna stop and at least hang out for like an hour or so, or do you guys want to keep going? And guess what happened? They outvoted me. Everybody voted keep going, so that's what we did. And yes, like I mentioned before, the boat rally was until Sunday, and Gilbert was the last stop that you could dock up and rent a room, or you can stay in your boat until Sunday for the fishing tournament. But I guess we're not doing that. My crew outvoted me 1-4. So we just waved hi to the people and kept going on our way home, because from here to the boat ramp, I estimate about an hour drive. And once through the idle zone, we're back to normal speed, 35 miles an hour. And well, we're up to 2 because the other 3 are in the cabin, sleeping. And we got Fresquito as the driver and me as the navigator. And for all you local South Florida boaters, if you guys haven't done this run from Grandin Park or Madison Hammock, or even maybe Bayfront Park like we did, to the Florida Keys, I advise you guys to do it because it is an amazing ride. But the only thing is right now is the gas prices are kind of high, so I don't know if you want to wait till things go back down. And so far it has taken us almost 2 hours from Bayfront Marina all the way down to the Islamorada Tiki Bar, so it's not that bad. And here it is, about the fast boat I was talking about. Yep, this is a catamaran coming towards us at least 80 miles an hour plus.
I wish we had one. Oh my god.
Well, wherever he's going to get there really quick, because if you guys notice, he was docked at Gilbert's when we went by, and we have been in the ride about 35 to 40 minutes, and he actually caught up to us and passed us by a long shot. So I'm gonna estimate if he did come out at Bayfront Marina and he drove to the Sandbar, I think it would have took him an hour more or less. And now I'm gonna answer a question that probably most of you guys are thinking or wondering about when it comes to wasting fuel with the Hydrosport and the Island Hopper. Well, if I would have done this on the Island Hopper, I probably would have wasted maybe a little bit less than a half a tank. But when we translate this to gallons, that would be about 30 gallons on the Island Hopper versus about 90 gallons in the Hydrosport. So the difference is very big. And now we have entered Biscayne National Park, and we're working our way towards Bayfront Marina. And the day couldn't get any better. No rain and smooth ride all the way back. It was so smooth and calm that I had to kind of close my eyes and rest them for a little bit. And while I did this, Joel took over the driver's seat while Fresco went in the cabin and caught a little nap with the rest of the crew. And let me know if this happens to you guys too. But when somebody else drives and you fall asleep, doesn't it feel like we get there much faster and quicker? Well, that's exactly what happened, because we're already coming into the Bayfront Marina channel. And from the entrance to the channel all the way to the boat ramp is about a 20-minute idle cruise. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and check the gas gauge, and it's reading that we have 39% fuel left out of 150 gallons. So technically we have enough fuel to hang out at Hello with Sandbar one more time. And we made it to the ramp with plenty of sunlight to spare, even to trailer the boat all the way home. And well, what do you guys think about the Miami Boat Rally at Islamorada Sandbar? And if you attended, let me know if you like it. And if you didn't attend it but you liked the video, let me know if you're gonna go next year. And remember, this is part 3, so make sure to watch part 1 and 2. And once again, it has been our pleasure taking you guys along for the ride. And always remember to have fun in the sun with your family and friends. And if this is your first time watching a video in our channel, make sure to check out our video library, because we got plenty more that you can enjoy if you like the boating life and the sandbar life. And until next time, I'll see you guys out in the water.